Everyone, it's been really gloomy recently. I've also been really gloomy inside. So I think the perfect thing to warm me up today would be a Japanese beef stew called nikujaga. Nikujaga. So I'm gonna go run and I'll be back. Konnichiwa, everybody. It is time for today's Japanese lesson. The word we will be learning today is nikujaga. Niku means meat in Japanese. And jaga is short for jagaimo, which means potato in Japanese. So combine them together and you get this beautiful stew. Bye bye, everybody. Hi everyone, xin chào mọi người. Today we're going to be making our nikujaga. Just got back from a run. It's actually a different day. So all of our vegetables are going to cut into similar sizes, and then the meat we're going to cut into thin strips. And we have a little seasonings here. We're going to add in later. So let's get started. Alright, so since this is my first vlog, I thought I would tell you guys my main inspirations. Those two being, at least YouTubers, being Life of Riza and Doobie Doobop. I actually met Doobie Doobop. Let me just pull up an image right now. You know, we're good friends. I like to think we're not. But I just really like their style of video, Life of Riza, for how cinematic her vlogs are, or at least how much effort she puts into them, storyboarding and whatnot. And then Doobie Doobop for how real she is with the, you know, with her viewers. And I just like cooking. She's a person who like really made me want to cook. So that's what I'm doing here today. Might not do any more cooking segments in the future because I still live with my grandparents and parents. So it was kind of a struggle getting this, or just setting aside time for this, because it's currently 5 a.m. I wanted to make sure they're not up watching TV, needing to do stuff. But, you know, maybe it's more of a question of like how do I want this enough? I tend to put a lot of things in the way of what I actually want to do, or I think about the things that could be in the way a little too much. That could be another way of looking at it. But I told you guys my inspirations, but I still haven't really told you about, I guess, who I am. My name's Min. I like cooking. I like guitar. I like staying active, although it's really hard for me to like stay in one sport. I'm in college. I'm almost done. So if you guys want to guess what my major is, leave a comment down below. That's also how I'll know if you watch the video. I'll know who's a real one. I'm planning on going to LA actually as soon as I can to learn more about video. But you know, that's a ways out. While I'm here, if this is something I truly want, which I think it is, then I really need to be putting the reps in here while I'm, you know, while I got free time. That's like making videos like right now, not making excuses. I'm also training for a marathon in Austin. I don't know if I'll see any of y'all there, or if there's anyone going to be even watching this outside my friends. But I'm thinking about switching to the half marathon. I did the first week, and I've been on like a 4-day break. Definitely didn't need the whole 4 days, but my knee started feeling weird, so I was gonna give it like a 2-day break, and then just kind of kept going. I watched some K-dramas. I'm gonna go to work in like, I don't know, in like an hour at this point. So I'll run when I get back home, I promise. But just had a 1.5 week span where I've been, doing everything every day, and or that I've been wanting to do that's new, and then just like in a lot of things that I've started before, after that 1.5 week period, it starts to like peter out, go downhill, and so it's taking that extra effort to keep going that I really need to do right now. So I'll keep myself accountable. Hopefully you guys keep yourselves accountable, being consistent and working towards your goals. It's a long journey. What is going on, guys? Today we're at Min's house. About to eat some nikujaga. Don't know what that means, but it's got it right here. Looks amazing. Here's for the camera. Beautiful. I can't wait to dig in. Let me just get a good bite of everything. Here we go. Gotta keep your mouth safe. Oh, oh, look at these. The meat is savory and succulent. The vegetables, not too mushy. They still have a good bite to them, but they're nice and soft, just how I like it. And then this broth. Oh my gosh, the broth. It's just so succulent and savory and delicious and rich, but not too rich, rich in the mind, not in the pockets. Yeah, you can quote me on that one. And we got the Kirkland brewski to wash it all down. What a perfect combination. Just want to say thank you guys for watching today. Great. I'm happy I got this first video out. I'm not really 100% sure what the schedule is going to look like moving forward, but there's a lot to look forward to. Gonna put more effort into my projects. Today's kind of like a brain rotty kind of video, but I had fun making it, and that's just what it's about right now, I feel like. So yeah, I'm gonna keep enjoying this food. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.